Hey everybody, it's Jamie here, and today I'm going to show you how to make that famous Mexican sauce, Salsa Verde. You are going to need half an onion, 4 chilies of your choice, and 4 cloves of garlic. You'll also need 800 grams of tomatillos, which need to be boiled and cooled in advance, or you could actually use a tin of tomatillos, just don't tell the Mexicans. And finally, you'll need a handful of cilantro/coriander. Place the onion, chilies, and 3 of the garlic cloves into a pan of boiling water. And boil for 15 minutes. Drizzle some oil in a pan and add your remaining garlic clove. Meanwhile, take your tomatillos and add them to a blender. And time to get blending. At this stage, take that bad boy garlic clove out of that oil. And very carefully pour in your blended tomatillos. And now remove the onion, chilies, and 3 garlic cloves from your pan of boiling water and add to the blender. Not forgetting, of course, your cilantro/coriander, and blend. Pour your mixture into the pan of blended tomatillos. And that, mis amigos, is indeed salsa verde. I'm going to use it to make huevos rancheros. Simply fry a corn or flour tortilla. And begin frying an egg. I like a crispy bottom. Sorry, not sorry. Time to season and add some garnish, for example, some cilantro and red chili. And there you go, a zingy, spicy, flavoursome salsa verde. Don't forget to subscribe to Travel Blog Jamie on YouTube, Instagram and Twitter.